Aww. Aww.
Love to hear.
Aww.
My first time back from college, I drove home.
Aww.
For a ride. My family comes back from church.
Aww.
That's sweet.
Aww.
She was dropped lunch for my backpack. She finds this little
Aww.